I want to show you this awesome view. Look at this view.
Such a beautiful sunrise right out my window. Well, the bed worked out really well. Very comfortable. I was very warm.
The heater did run almost all night though. I ended up setting it down to like 55, I think, so it would finally shut itself off. And then I got a little cold and turned it up a little bit. But let's get some coffee going. Enjoy this sunrise.
Despite not seeing any deer out here, I'm having a ton of fun at Deer Camp 2021. I think this proves that you can use a cargo trailer conversion as a deer camp scenario, and it works quite well. I can't wait to take my son here next year, maybe my dad too, and make a real deer camp out of this, where we come early in the season, maybe around July or August, and scout out locations, put up tree stands, actually come up here and do it right.
Well, I think I'm going to go out and do one more sit. The rain's going to be coming in soon, but I'm going to try to get there before the rain does. Try to find a different place to sit and see what happens.
Well, I got back from hunting and unfortunately I didn't see a deer. Now, one thing about hunting is that you don't want to have a lot of scent on yourself. So I thought it would be a good time to introduce sous vide, sous videing into the whole cargo trailer camping experience. So what sous videing is it's basically immersing your meat into warm water that's at a specific temperature, and it's in like a Ziploc bag, and the temperature is what you want the temperature of your food to be. Ooh, that's hot. So the cool thing about this is I could start this and I could walk away for 2 hours. Yeah, it takes longer than normal, but you don't have to be present. So I could go, if I had Hunter with me, we could go up to the playground. I could go out hunting again. It's a pretty cool concept. So in 2 hours, I'll be ready to eat. I think I'll make some potatoes and some green beans with this meal. This isn't really a kitchen knife. This is a Baghdad Bullet by Tops. Really good company, really good knives, I should say. I think I'll do some salt and pepper. This is what the pork chop looks like when it's done right now. It doesn't look good now, does it? We'll wait till I put a sear on it. All right, you ready to see the final product?
Oh, baby.
Perfect. Just the way it's supposed to be. But the only problem is doing this on a paper plate kind of stinks. I've already went right through the paper. Well, lesson learned there. Very good. Another cool thing about sous videing is when you're done, you've got a bunch of hot water, so you can do dishes with them. I think I might end the video here. But if you like this content, you like cargo trailer builds, you like watching them actually being used, then consider subscribing, give us a like, or comment below. We'll definitely respond to all your comments. Again, thanks for watching. It's been fun. Until next time.